Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Nat. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I DIY this oil. It's a hot oil treatment that I always use once in a month to treat my baby girl's hair. I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. So I'm just going to be going ahead to use some of all these DIYs oil that I already have in my house, and I have a lot of videos. I have already made videos about this oil. This one that I'm showing here is the recent garlic and onion oil that I just did. If you guys want to go and check it out, you can go and check it out. So the other one was actually clove and fenugreek seed, I think, and this one is just only clove oil, and these oils are very good. I have them already in my channel, guys. You can go and check them out, and I will be placing them as well in the description box. So I just mixed these three oils together, and I'm going to be putting it in and I'm going to be bringing it to the microwave to warm it up a little bit before I apply the oil into my baby girl's hair. So in this case, you have to be careful not to let the oil to be too hot so that it doesn't burn your scalp. Of course, if you're using it for a baby like mine, you just warm the oil up. You can also go ahead and warm the oil normally in the pot if you prefer. This is also very fine. So this is my baby girl's hair. Okay, her hair do get dry so easily. I do treat her hair like once in a while with a head oil treatment. But when it comes to applying oil into her scalp, I do apply oil every single day because my baby girl have a very dry scalp, and even her skin is completely dry, so she really needs a special treatment, and as well as special body cream that I do use for her skin because she actually have a dry skin. So her hair and her scalp need oil every time. So yeah, this is the hair that I just did not quite long. Okay, and yeah, so this time it's just the oil treatment, and then I decided to share the video with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so this oil was really good for her hair. It really helped her to remove all the dandruff and all the dryness that she was having, like dry scalp that she was having. And this oil is very good to strengthen your hair, and it's really gonna give your hair a lot of shine. It's gonna treat your scalp, and it's gonna moisturize your hair a lot and overall grow your hair, guys. This oil is very good. Talking about hot oil treatment, guys, you don't have to use different oil. If you just have only one oil, maybe like one extra virgin oil or Jamaica black castor oil, you can just go ahead and use only that one oil. Hot oil treatment is very good for hair, guys. To be honest, it's very good to treat your hair at least once in a month. I do hot oil treatment my hair once in a month, and I'm trying to keep the routine for my baby girls as well, so that her hair will get used to it. Okay, so yeah, and after I apply the oil into her scalp and massage all the oil, so I went ahead to rinse the oil out. As you guys can see, this is all the product that we have been having into her hair, and her hair feels so soft, and it feels so, you know, thick. Yes, it feels so thick. And after the oil, and I went ahead to comb the hair, and then as well as apply some leave-in, like a conditioner into her hair, and I cover the hair again. So this is how the hair is looking after all this amazing treatment. So in here I'm using my clove and rosemary water. I also DIY this hairspray, guys. Okay, the video is down in my channel. You can go and check it out. By the way, if you're new to my channel, I do a lot of DIYs of how to grow your natural hair, and a lot of workouts, healthy eating, you know, fashion, lifestyle. We throw family vlogs sometimes into it. So please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, so this is how my baby girl's hair is looking, and the coils are just coming out, the coils are popping. So I went ahead to add some of my hair oil as well, and now we are going to be using our Auntie Aki's coils. This is basically what I use for her hair. I got a lot of comments on her Instagram, yes, and my Instagram as well, what type of hair product I use for my baby girls, and also on Facebook. So this is basically the hair condition that I use for her hair. It's Auntie Aki's Kids Koi, something like that. If you guys want, I will be dropping the link in the description box. I've already used this condition into her hair. We already make a video about that, so if you guys want to check it out as well, it's down there, you will see it. Okay, so yeah, this condition is very good. I like Auntie Aki's Kids. I also like it for adult one, but the only thing that I don't like too much is the smell, but still it's good, it's not bad. Okay, it really coils their hair, soften their hair, and after, if you take the braid down like this, and it's really gonna give you the beautiful coils that you really want. Okay, so yeah, if you guys want to give it a try, and it's really good. It's Auntie Aki's coils, like kids coils. I will be dropping the link in the description box. Okay, yeah. So this is it, guys. I've already dressed her hair, and she's looking so gorgeous. Yes, she's looking beautiful. So here at the back, we are just gonna leave the back like this, and after this back will dry up, and it's really gonna give the hair a lot of volumes, and the coils are gonna stay for at least 3 days, 3 to 4 days. Yeah, but every day I still apply, I still spray this hairspray into her hair every morning before we go outside, and so that the hair will just stay fresh and stay, you know, looking coiled. So yeah, that's it, guys, and I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and a massive thanks to all of you who is coming to watch my video every single time. I really appreciate your love and support. May God bless you. Okay, keep supporting this girl. Okay. So thank you all so much for watching. Give us some thumbs up and share if you want. In the meantime, hope to catch you in my next one. Much love. Bye bye.